Hi guys, welcome back to Reactions to Modern Music. I'm in a different location. I'm in a live music studio.
A studio.
Yeah, studio. Thank you, John. Yeah, that's why I've got this guy here to correct all my basic mistakes.
I'm here to help.
We've just been recording an interview with John talking about his new song, Belief.
Relief.
Talking about his new song, Relief. For that. Another correction?
No, it's difficult because the band's called The First Street Belief. The song's called Relief. I'm going to suffer for that one, I think.
So we'll have outtakes galore.
Let's go.
Yeah, so that should already be out.
Yeah.
Can you see this?
So please, if you want to give the song a listen, I would appreciate that so much.
Yeah, check it out on iTunes, Spotify, YouTube.
Facebook, the fridge, everywhere.
All right, so song today. Mac Miller, what's it called?
It's called We,
We,
as in us.
us, okay. Let's we watch it.
Wow.
Okay, well, you could be my. Well, okay, it's alright, it's okay. You could be my. Yeah, well, okay, it's alright, it's okay. You could be my. Well, okay, it's alright, it's okay. You could be my. Baby, don't you worry, there's some shit to get along to. Some shit I right my wrongs to. Well, I tried to call you, have us a discussion. We never talk, we always way too busy fucking. I'll think of something to say, I always do. I'm in love with the way that you say my name every time it sound brand new. And you, always wondering what will be. I say we sound better than you or me. Baby, you could be my. Okay, it's alright. I feel like you could be my. Well, okay, it's alright, it's okay, and I can be your. Well, okay, it's alright, it's only if you be my. It's alright, it's okay, yeah. Okay, and time will tell if I'm alive and well. Cause when I'm by myself, I find that I keep flying high. Sometimes I must remind myself that change is more than pennies laying on the floor inside the well. You cross my mind, do not apologize for being fine as hell. I'm spinning here inside your spell, my mind is start to wander. Miss the day, I stay up late admiring your posture. And you, always wondering what will be. I say we sound better than you or me. Baby, you could be my. Yeah. Okay, it's alright. Yeah, baby, you could be my. Well, okay, it's alright. It's okay, and I can be your. Okay, it's alright. It's only if you be my.
Just let it be forever. Loving me, spite of me, bless your heart. Bless your heart. I can breathe so much better. Yeah. I won't let anything tear us apart. No, no, no. We are we forever.
You could be my local song. I said like you could be my local song. So can I can be your local song. It's only if you be my. It's alright, it's okay.
You gotta deal with Mac Miller, bitch.
What do you reckon?
Interesting song. Mac Miller's one of those very special musicians. Like, it's, to my knowledge, like lo-fi is a growing genre right now, and lo-fi is the one genre that's exploding in Vietnam, and Mac Miller has that like ASMR rap, kind of like lo-fi sound that it's absolutely his own. It's his, and he does it fantastically well. I'm sure plenty of other artists, plenty of others do it too, but Mac Miller's the only one that I've heard do it. And I've only heard of him and heard him through my partner who absolutely loves him. This is a man that his fan base is electric. Like, they love him so much. And it's a shame that he's no longer with us as well. That's a huge shame. What did you think?
Yeah, I was thinking, this is really low key, much lower than I expected. I've reacted to a couple of the songs so far, and they seem to be a little more upbeat than this. I had a bit of trouble getting into it, really. I liked the groove of it at times, and then I kind of lost the groove, and my mind wandered, and I came back to it. I think there were elements of it that I really liked, and then other parts I just zoned out. Not because I didn't like it, just because I zoned out.
Well, I think that's one of the things about lo-fi. It's supposed to be a bit backgroundish, and it's supposed to like just help you massage you into the situation, like massage you into the moment. It's not, okay, in my opinion, it's not a song that's gonna blow your socks off. You're not gonna. It's not like AC/DC or a Queen song, but like I said, for what it is and the genre that he's in and the music that he's making, it's very much his own. And when I said that his fans are like fervent, they love the stuff. My partner told me when they found out that he had passed, and her entire like household at university just stopped what they were doing and just spent the night listening to his music and just drinking it in, you know. And this is the kind of effect that music can have on people, but also it just shows you how much he was loved by not just by the fans. Like, a lot of people in music seem to love him too. Like, he was very, very, very popular with other musicians. Very popular with other musicians.
Yeah, and of course he was friends with Lil Peep, similar style of artist who also passed away
Oh, jeez.
a while back.
Never heard of that artist, but jeez.
Okay. Don did a reaction with me too. Don had never heard of him either, strangely. But now he loves Lil Peep. I should introduce you.
I would love that. Yeah, the one thing about this song, I'm going to talk about the aesthetics of the video. I thought it was going to be a lyric video just from the thumbnail, and I don't know. I like the fact that it's just the logo of the song. I guess like the font of the song, and it's bouncing on the kick drum, on the beat of the drum. It's really cool. I really enjoyed that.
All right, guys. Thanks for being here. We'll be back more with some other great music. See you soon.
Absolutely.